And now for an honest and unbiased opinion. Powder, do you want some barbecue? Come on. There you go, the tail don't lie. Hi there, Dan Olson, Hog Wild Barbecue. So you smoked chicken and you ate the chicken. It was delicious. That's awesome. All you have left now is bones, maybe a little bit of flesh that you couldn't quite get cut off. So you're thinking you're just gonna throw it away. I have a better idea for you. What we have here, we're gonna make some smoked chicken stock. Chicken broth can be used as a flavoring in a lot of things. A smoked chicken stock just tastes so much better. What we have here are the basic ingredients of a mirepoix. I have some celery, 2 stalks of celery, a couple of chopped up carrots, 1 onion, and I also put in a head of garlic. This is simple, guys. Leftover carcass, throw in our veggies, add some water, enough to make sure that you have everything covered. Okay. Then we're just going to bring it up to a boil as fast as we can. We'll go around and skim off the fat of it as it's cooking. Look, I hear people talk about, oh, you're gonna make a broth, you need to let that simmer for 3 to 4 hours. No, you don't. About 40 minutes at this boiling. Once it gets to a boil, start your timer, and then it's done. There's still flavor in them dar bones. Don't throw away the carcass. I'll show you how we're going in just a little bit. Stick around. All right, the house smells fantastic. The fragrance coming up off of the stock. I have this really disgusting plate here and I need you to tell you about it. This is, I had mentioned going around with like a spoon. You just go around the edge, okay? And you pull off any fat that might still be sticking to the bones or anything else that might be just comes up off the side. What we're looking for at the end of the day is a relatively clear broth. This has been going for about an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, put it through this strainer into the bowl, and then we're gonna taste it and see what it's like. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit and tell you that I've already spooned off a little bit of it just to make sure that I had the flavors right. I did add in some salt off camera because I didn't mention that before, but obviously you're gonna need salt, and salt you're gonna do to taste. There you go. Homemade chicken stock, a relatively clear liquid. I'm gonna blow on this a few times before I put it in my mouth. Yeah, the salt is perfect. The flavor of the smoke that came in off of the smoked chicken. You cannot buy a box or a carton or a can or whatever of chicken broth that's going to taste as good as something that's made from home. I've got my chicken broth now. You can either refrigerate it, store it for about a week or 2, or you can freeze it. I am planning on making some chili later on tonight. There's a recipe that you can see right there that I'll show you how I use it in that. But you can use chicken broth in so many different ways. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. There's a little red button that's right down there. You can push it. And until next time, I'm Dan Olson. This is Hog Wild Barbecue, and I am wishing you a good day and good barbecue.